morning, class! Are you ready for another fun-filled learning session? Because whether you're far or near, Teacher Laika is here. And for today's objective, use suffixes and root words to get the meaning of the words. Before going to our proper discussion, let me hear from you what we've discussed yesterday.
Ma'am, we've discussed yesterday about prefix.
Yes, you're right. Now, you have to answer this activity. Here's what you're going to do. You have to read and solve the word puzzle. Choose the word from the box, then solve the puzzle. Time's up. So now, let me show you the answer. Let's see if you got it correctly. So class, how's it? Did you find it difficult? At this point, get your gadgets and visit the link shown in the screen. Together, we will watch the video silently and observe what's in the video.
Welcome to Kids Academy.
Hello, I am Chris the Word Whiz. We will look at the end of words today. Are you ready to look carefully? Let's go! Suffixes are letters at the end of a word. These change the meaning. We will look at 4 suffixes: full, less, ly, and a bull. Here's one: truthful. When we add full to a word, it means full of, just like it sounds. So, truthful would be full of truth. If you are a truthful person, you are full of the truth, or you tell the truth often. How about painful? What do you think that would mean? Yes, full of pain. Ouch! Another suffix is less. This means without. So if we had use and added less, it would mean without a use. A hammer is useless for this project. It is without use for this. Let's look at fearless. Less means without. So this would mean without fear. She was fearless when she swam in the ocean. So she wasn't afraid. We looked at full and less. Our third suffix is ly. This one is a little trickier, but I know you can handle it. Ly answers the question, how? Sometimes it answers the question, how often? You can try this one. She acts friendly to everyone. What question does it answer? How does she act? You got it! She is friendly. Let's look at another word with ly. The class has a weekly music lesson. This answers the question, how often? A weekly lesson would happen once a week. We have one more suffix for today. A bull. It means you can do something. It looks like the word able, but as a suffix, we say a bull. like in the word washable. A washable sweater would be a sweater that can be washed. What about lovable? The dog is lovable. What would it mean? Yes, you can love the dog. Nice work! You know 4 suffixes. I bet you will see many of these words now when you are reading. Bye for now.
Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos. Find links to our apps in the comments below.
So class, what have you observed in the video? What was it all about?
About suffix, Mom.
Yes, you're right. Now, look at the PowerPoint presentation. I am going to read sentences and notice the underlined words. But before that, let I define what is suffix. So suffix are syllables attached at the end which form a new word and meaning. The potato chips I bought were tasteless. Next, the rainbow was colorful. What is the root word of the underlined word tasteless? Good. And what about colorful? Okay, good. In a 1/4 sheet of paper, try this activity. Write down the new formed words. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer the given activity. Time's up. Here's the answer. Let's check if you got it correctly. 1. Useless. Number 2. Successful. 3. Wonderful. 4. Hopeless. 5. Worthless. 6. Colorful. 7. Careful. 8. Powerful. 9. Mindful. And 10. Limitless. As you know, suffixes are syllables attached at the end which formed a new word and meaning. Observe the given example in the PowerPoint presentation. First, the sea became peaceful once more. The underlined word peaceful came from the root word peace plus suffix full, which formed a new word peaceful, which means full of peace. Next, the whales were helpless against the visitor. The underlined word helpless came from the root word help plus suffix less, which formed a new word helpless, which means without help. For now, answer this activity. Now, form new words by adding suffix less to the word outside the circle. Give the meaning of the newly found words. These words are hair, fruit, child, and food. So, what words were you able to form? For now, answer this activity. Complete the chart. Write down the word asked for. Choose the suffix less or full. For example, fear. The new formed word is fearless, which means without fear. And now, answer the remaining words. Hope, hopeful, which means full of hope. Home, homeless, which means without home. Child, childless, which means without child. Cheer, cheerful, which means full of cheer. Boast, boastful, which means full of boast. Thankful, which means full of thanks. Grace, graceful, which means full of grace. Peace, peaceful, which means full of peace. As a whole, what is suffix again?
Suffixes are syllables attached at the end to form a new word and meaning.
Yes, you're right. Since you already know what is suffix, now I am going to give you a quiz. So change the word inside the parentheses by using correct suffixes to complete the meaning of the sentences. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer the quiz. Check. Number 1. Ryan loves being outdoors. He likes to sleep in his tent. He loves stargazing. However, tonight the sky is starless. Number 2. The plants in the yard are flowerless. The trees are fruitless. Number 3. It is a beautiful day. Angelo is going to see his grandparents. He will help them harvest mangoes today. And now, for your activity, formulate a sentence using the given suffixes. These words are playful, thankful, endless, hopeless, and meaningless. I hope you've learned something today. Remember, learning English is fun, so never stop learning. Again, this is your teacher Laika. See you in the next session. Stay safe and goodbye!